I have to admit, I sometimes forego a wholesome cooked dinner on busy nights. Sometimes throughout the week, there just doesn't seem to be time to cook. Before we begin, please check the description area first. There are listed links to original project and tutorial that exist in this video. Here, fast and easy crock-pot recipes that give you wholesome dinners. 1. Easy creamy crock-pot spaghetti. Spaghetti isn't a terribly difficult or time-consuming meal to make, but it does take a little time. 2. Easy slow cooker beef stroganoff. Beef stroganoff is definitely a time-consuming dish, unless of course you make it in the slow cooker. 3. Slow cooker pork tenderloin and potatoes. This slow cooker pork tenderloin is a meal all by itself. Just add a salad or bread and you have a wholesome meal in just one cooker. 4. Crock-Pot beef barbacoa. Beef barbacoa is a traditional dish that is typically cooked over an open fire, but you can recreate the taste with this crock-pot beef barbacoa recipe. 5. Tender French dip sandwiches. I had the most amazing French dip sandwich years ago in a little restaurant in a tiny little town in the south, and I have been looking for a recipe to recreate that flavor for years. 6. Crock-Pot beef and noodles. My kids love a good beef and noodles meal, but those can take so much time. 7. Crock-Pot bourbon chicken. Can I just say that bourbon chicken is my favorite? I love this stuff, and anytime we go out, I always check to see if the restaurant serves it. 8. Easy heirloom tomato crock-pot chili. Chili is a delicious dish that is perfect for cold evenings. This crock-pot chili is even more perfect because it doesn't take long at all to prepare. 9. Creamy sun-dried tomato chicken. This delicious chicken dish would take forever to bake if it weren't for the crock-pot. 10. Slow cooker sausage and bean soup. Homemade soup is always a wholesome meal, and this particular soup has white beans. 11. Smothered crock-pot pork chops. Pork chops normally take a lot of time to prepare, but not with this crock-pot smothered pork chops recipe. 12. Easy slow cooker pork tinga. I have an amazing chicken tinga recipe that we fix from time to time. 13. Crock-Pot cheesy cauliflower soup. If you love a creamy potato soup recipe, then you will definitely want to try this cheesy cauliflower soup. 14. Slow cooker chicken Alfredo tortellini. I absolutely love a good tortellini recipe. One pot tomato tortellini is one of my favorites, and now 15. Creamy chicken and corn chowder. You have to love a creamy corn chowder recipe. This chicken and corn chowder is creamy and delicious, and it's the perfect cold busy night recipe. 16. Slow cooker Italian chicken marsala. I love Italian food, and chicken marsala is one of my favorites. I adore the chicken marsala from Olive Garden. 17. Crock-Pot chicken parmesan with pasta. This chicken parmesan is a meal in itself, thanks to the addition of pasta, and you can cook it all right there in the same slow cooker. 18. Honey lime ginger pork. This pork recipe is absolutely divine, and it's so easy to throw together. You just need 10 minutes to get your pork roast ready for cooking, and then another 8 hours of slow cooker time. 19. Crock-Pot Italian chicken. This crock-pot Italian chicken is an entire meal in one pot. All you need to add is some crusty bread, or a side salad if you are watching your carbs. 20. Tender Korean beef. Imagine delicious Korean beef from your slow cooker. This is such a simple recipe and it gives you such a delicious dinner option. 21. Crock-Pot round steaks with mushroom gravy. Round steaks with mushroom gravy make a wonderful comfort food and you can cook these up in a jiffy thanks to your crock-pot. 22. Slow cooker stuffed peppers with sausage and rice. I love stuffed peppers and I love this recipe because it makes it so easy to prepare them. 23. Slow cooker Thai peanut chicken. If you want a really good Asian dish that you can make in the slow cooker, this Thai peanut chicken is it. 24. Easy crock-pot chicken pot pie. I love a good homemade chicken pot pie recipe. This one is not only delicious, it's easy because you make it in the crock-pot. 25. Easy slow cooker beef soup. This easy slow cooker vegetable beef soup is perfect for cold winter nights and those nights when you just don't really have time to cook.